Have you ever wondered why financial struggle seems to be an all too familiar narrative among many in America? That's indeed a thought-provoking question. The answer, far from simple, lies in a complex web of factors. One significant issue is the lack of financial education and literacy. This can lead to many not understanding how to manage money, save, invest, or plan for retirement. CNBC has highlighted the importance of financial education in breaking the cycle of poverty. Without a sound understanding of money management, many are left vulnerable and unequipped to navigate the financial landscape. Then there's the issue of access. Lack of access to resources such as quality education, professional networks, and opportunities for accumulation significantly hinders financial growth and stability. For instance, a student from an underprivileged neighborhood may not have the same educational resources as their affluent peers, further widening the wealth gap. These barriers, while formidable, are not unbreakable. Overcoming them requires an understanding of the issues at hand, open conversations about these challenges, and the search for meaningful solutions. It requires resilience, relentless effort, and an unwavering will to alter the existing state of affairs. The narrative of financial struggle is prevalent, but it doesn't have to be the definitive story. Change is possible, and financial stability and growth can be achieved. But the good news is, there are ways to break away from this narrative. Let's explore how. One of the most powerful tools anyone can use to build wealth is insurance. But what exactly is it and how does it work? Insurance, in its simplest form, is a contract, known as a policy, in which an individual or entity receives financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. At its core, insurance is about managing risks. Let's say, for example, you own a house. That house could, unfortunately, be destroyed by a natural disaster or damaged by a burglary. If you have property insurance, you're protected against these potential financial catastrophes. But insurance isn't just about safeguarding what you have, it's also about preparing for the future. Take life insurance, for example. This type of insurance ensures that your loved ones will be financially secure when you're no longer around. It's a tool that can provide peace of mind, knowing that your family will be taken care of no matter what happens. Health insurance is another crucial type of coverage. It protects you from high medical costs and ensures you can get the care you need when you need it. Without health insurance, an unexpected health issue can quickly drain your savings and throw you into financial turmoil. There are also other types of insurance like auto, disability, and long-term care insurance, each serving to protect different aspects of your life and wealth. Now you might be wondering, how does insurance help me build wealth? Well, think of it this way. Every dollar you don't have to spend on replacing a lost or damaged item or on medical bills is a dollar you can save or invest. In that sense, insurance is a wealth preservation tool. Moreover, some insurance policies, like certain types of life insurance, can also serve as investment vehicles. These policies allow you to accumulate cash value over time, which you can borrow against or even withdraw for your needs. In conclusion, insurance is not just about protection, it's about financial growth too. It's a tool that can help you navigate life's uncertainties, protect your hard-earned wealth, and even contribute to your financial growth. So, if you're serious about building wealth, don't overlook the power of insurance. Another often overlooked wealth-building tool is your credit score. But how exactly can a credit score help you build wealth? Let's dive right into it. Imagine your credit score as a key that can open doors to better financial opportunities. But what is a credit score, you may ask? Well, it's a 3-digit number that lenders use to assess how likely you are to repay your debts. And just like in school, the higher your score, the better. Now, why should you care about your credit score? Picture this. You're planning to start a business. You've got a great idea, you've got the passion, but there's one thing missing: capital. You need a loan. With a good credit score, you're not just more likely to get approved for that loan, but you could also secure it at a lower interest rate. This means more money stays in your pocket, and that's money you could invest back into your business. Or let's say you want to buy a house. A good credit score can help you get a mortgage with a lower interest rate. Over the course of a 30-year mortgage, a lower interest rate could save you tens of thousands of dollars. That's money you could invest, creating a snowball effect of wealth building. So, how can you improve your credit score? It's all about financial responsibility. Pay your bills on time. Don't max out your credit cards. Keep your debt levels low. It's not about having lots of money, but about managing the money you have wisely. The thing about credit scores is that they don't improve overnight. It takes time. But the earlier you start, the better. And remember, every journey begins with a single step. Your step towards financial freedom could be as simple as paying your next bill on time. So let's unlock those doors to financial opportunities. Let's use that hidden wealth building tool to our advantage, because a high credit score isn't just a number, it's a pathway to financial success. Now that we understand these tools, let's discuss how they can specifically help minorities overcome financial struggles. Insurance and good credit scores, two powerful tools that can help break the cycle of poverty. But how do these tools work? Let's break it down. Firstly, insurance. Insurance is not just about paying for mishaps or unexpected events. It's also about building a safety net, a financial cushion that can help you bounce back when life throws a curveball. This safety net is especially important for minority communities where resources might be scarce and the impact of financial shocks can be devastating. By investing in insurance, you're not just protecting your present, you're securing your future. Take the example of a small business owner who invested in business insurance. When a natural disaster struck and damaged his store, the insurance payout helped him rebuild, keeping his dream alive and his business afloat. This is the power of insurance. It's a lifeline when you need it the most. Next, let's talk about credit scores. A good credit score is like a key that opens many doors. It can help you secure loans, buy a house, or even start a business. And for minority communities, a good credit score can be a game changer, a tool to break free from the cycle of poverty and move towards financial stability. Consider the story of a young woman who worked hard to build her credit score. With her good credit, she was able to secure a loan to buy a house. Owning a house not only gave her a sense of security and pride, but it also allowed her to build wealth, as the value of the house increased over time. This is the potential of a good credit score. It's a tool for empowerment and wealth creation. So, insurance and good credit scores, two powerful tools that can help minorities overcome financial struggles. They're not just about managing risk or securing loans, they're about building a secure and prosperous future. With the right tools and knowledge, financial struggles can be overcome. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's time to take action. Financial freedom is not a distant dream, but a reality that you can achieve with the right tools and mindset. The first step is understanding the importance of insurance and good credit scores. These aren't just numbers or policies, they are powerful tools that can help you build wealth and secure a financially stable future for you and your family. Insurance is not just about protection, it's about planning. It's about making sure that you and your loved ones are covered in case of any unforeseen circumstances. It's about ensuring that your hard-earned wealth is not eroded by a sudden medical emergency or an accident. So, start looking into insurance options today. There are many organizations that can help you understand different insurance policies and find the one that suits your needs the best. Similarly, a good credit score is not just about getting approved for loans or credit cards. It's about leveraging your financial reputation to your advantage. It's about making your money work for you. So, start working on improving your credit score today. Pay your bills on time, reduce your debt, and maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. Again, there are numerous resources available that can guide you on this journey. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires discipline, patience, and persistence, but the reward is worth every bit of effort. Imagine a future where you're not living paycheck to paycheck, where you're not worried about unexpected expenses, where you're creating a legacy of wealth for your children and grandchildren. That's the power of financial freedom. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Visit the referral link provided to access resources that can guide you on this journey. Remember, your future is in your hands.